Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard crystal candy, full guide. Begin by assembling sugar, corn syrup, water, flavoring, a candy thermometer, and a heavy saucepan. Keep your workstation clean and dry and measure ingredients precisely. I will guide you through boiling to the hard crack stage, monitoring temperature, adding flavor safely, and cooling for perfect glassy pieces. Stay relaxed, follow timing closely, and I will walk you through each step in a friendly way. Start by dissolving sugar into water and corn syrup over medium heat until clear, then stop stirring to reduce crystallization risk. Use a candy thermometer and cook to 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage, for glassy candy. Work carefully when boiling and remove from heat promptly, then add flavor and color off the heat to avoid separation. Pour onto a silicone mat or grease surface and let cool completely before breaking into shards. After reaching 300 degrees F and removing from heat, cool slightly, then stir in flavor extracts and any oil-based color quickly and evenly. Pour onto prepared silicone mats or into molds for consistent shapes, or spread for shards if you like rustic candy. Allow pieces to cool fully at room temperature to harden and set, then store in an airtight container to protect from moisture. I'll also share tips for layered colors and preventing stickiness during storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.